Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a quick shout out to Credit Boosta team. Recently I was denied a mortgage loan because of, some things on my credit, along with having a low credit score. I needed some help with that. So after interviewing, I guess maybe 4 different credit repair companies, I selected Credit Boosta. Since then, I tell you, I've been impressed with their knowledge and their straightforwardness. They took the time to explain the credit repair, the repair process, and set up reasonable expectations throughout that entire process. Now, I guess about 5 months after 5 months, about 90%, yeah, of the negative items and inaccurate addresses were removed, and they even negotiated directly with the creditors and removing several late payments. Credit Booster didn't just send letters to the credit bureaus, they sent letters directly to the creditors and collection companies to clean things up as well. So far, my credit my credit score is up by 163 points, and my wife and I could not be more pleased with the results. We're not finished yet, as we are still working on the remaining, 10%. So if you're looking for honest, credible, and straightforward credit repair company, I would say that Credit Boosta is that company. Hands down the best. Thank you so much.